Today we talk about how can you reset chip scan on your periodic chip lab. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings. So you just click here on settings, then you come to next here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on reset table skull, just click on it. So then when you just click on it, then automatically it's going to reset with you here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,